Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to cast YouTube on TV or to TV. So to do this it's very simple. You have just to go to YouTube, open the app, and after that open the video that you want to cast on TV. And as you can see on the top of the screen there is a cast icon. So to cast the video on TV, you have just to click on it. And of course, your TV should be smart TV, or you should have some Chromecast or other devices that do the same thing. And after that, as you can see, you have multiple options. If your phone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi, you will find your device will appear. As you can see next to select a device, my phone is searching for devices now. Or you have other options. You can use AirPlay and the Bluetooth devices. Or another option is to link with TV code. So if you are not using, I will show you, I will click on it. If you are not using like the same Wi-Fi, as you can see here, you will find the place to enter your TV code. And after that, when you click link, you will be linked. And to find that TV code, you have to go to the YouTube app on your TV, go to settings and scroll down to link with TV code. And after that, take that code and put it in the place here and click on link, and your phone will be linked to your TV and you can cast any video that you want and watch it on your TV. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.